Hey, what is up, guys? This is Terrence, and today we're gonna do a random pack opening. I'm gonna make this video really fast. And Bella Mobile. It's been long since I didn't play in Bella Mobile, but I got this achievement pack, legendary pack. But this is a random pack opening. I almost completed this. Where is it? Slumdog pack. This is gold collector, 130 gold players. It contains 3,000 gold and Slumdog pack. Almost completed. I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna get that, but not now. So I got the legend pack from achievements. Big Man win 30 seasons with Big Man lineup. So let's start here. I don't know what comes out of that pack, but we're gonna see. Oh, I didn't look. It didn't look me. Big moment. Haven't made a video. My last video is Attack on Titan. You can see I'm not speaking because I was speaking, but Airshow doesn't have mic. So let's start the packs. Hopefully we'll get an elite. Reggie Jackson, finest collectible. Oh, 2 finest collectibles. Please give me an elite. Better small forward. It's okay. Now, last but not the least. Ooh, many. Ooh, Sean Kemp. Please give me an elite. Ooh, Kyle Lowry. I didn't see that. Go to my team. Ooh, Slam Dunk pack, yes. Please elite, please elite, please elite. Nicholas Batum. Please elite, please elite. Aw, no elite. Let's highest overall. Oh yeah. Oh. Got plenty of achievements. Let's just reveal all. Oh, another one. No elite trophies. Oh, look at that lineup. Kyle Lowry on that lineup and Dirk Nowitzki, small ball. Oh, so cool. Where's Nicholas Batum? Oh, there he goes. Jack and the Goddess. Where's Zach Randolph? He didn't go in the view items. Oh, Reggie Jackson. Oh, we got so plenty goals. Harrison Barnes is replaced up. I'm gonna sell these all. I'm gonna earn money. Let's sell this for. Oh my god. I'm gonna sell that for 5,000. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.